In this video, we're gonna talk about why you should do online lead generation and why it's mandatory if you're in solar sales. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again to another solar video on the channel. I love these, all right? I'm gonna keep doing these videos because I get very good feedback from you guys. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed, to make sure you do. We're very soon gonna hit 500 subscribers. By the time we post this video, maybe we've hit them already, so hooray, we did this, all right? And I appreciate every single one of you that's taking time out of your day to watch these videos. I hope these are helping people, okay? That's the whole reason why we're doing this. So, but back to, the reason for this video. I mean, can you believe there's still people in 2021 asking me if online lead generation works? And I'm like, if you're in solar, like this, here's the thing. This video is not scripted at all, which means I don't even know what I'm gonna talk about, but I'm so passionate about this, I have the reasons already up in my head and I could let them out at any time. That's why I didn't need to script this video, all right? But there's still people asking me if online lead generation works and if they should do it if they're in solar. I'm like, look, man, there's so many reasons I could give you right now. And I want to give you some reasons very quickly here. If you thought about doing online lead generation and you're in solar sales, but you haven't pulled the trigger yet, here's why. First thing, you could save money on gas, okay? Because you're not gonna go out there knocking doors, all right? First of all, no driving around, okay? No driving, okay? Can you believe if you have to go out there and even do appointments, okay? If you do appointments, that's fine, I guess, but still not nice to get stood up, okay? If you're doing phone sales or if you're selling over distance, you don't have to drive to your appointment. You don't have to go out there and drive to a place to knock doors, get rejected, just to set a couple of appointments. You don't have to do that, okay? There's easier ways to do that. I understand if we were living in 1980, but it's 2021, for Christ's sake. And we don't need to do that. We don't have to drive around. Okay, you got me. You're not gonna be driving around, so you're gonna be saving money on gas, but your air conditioning costs are gonna go up in the summer, all right? But here's the thing, man. In all seriousness, I can't believe there's still people in the summer going out there door knocking, sweating their nuts off, getting baked in the sun just to set a few extra appointments. I mean, I applaud you guys. If you're one of them, I applaud you because you want to get places, right? You want to make money. I understand that. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to do all of that stuff. You could be sitting on your butt all day long, right, in a perfectly fine air-conditioned room, talking to people, scheduling your own appointments. It's that simple, right? And the second reason I would give you why you don't need to do that is because everyone's on social media nowadays. Tell me someone, okay? Everyone's on social media, okay? Very important. Tell me one person right now in your immediate family or friends that doesn't have any social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it, right? I mean, even if you do, I guess they're the minority now. In 2021, those people would be called the minority. I know that my uncles and aunts, they all have social media accounts. Mom and dad have social media accounts. Brothers and sisters have social media accounts, right? Everyone is on social media. And the good thing about, a company like us is that we can allocate we can find these people on the internet. and we could show our ads. We could show our ads so we could target these people. We could get their interest, right? And next thing you know, they're checking out solar and talking to you, okay? So second reason is everyone's on social media. And the third reason is, look, these are just coming at me, okay? Again, this video is not scripted at all. But the third reason would be, it is predictable. Very predictable, okay? There is predictability. You know that if you spend X amount, you're gonna make X amount. It's very, very important. If you're in business, and if you're in solar sales, you are a business owner by default, okay? You can't escape that. You are a business owner, okay? And the thing is that if you don't have predictability in your business, what's gonna happen? You're gonna sit there, wonder, okay, so am I gonna make 5K this month? Am I gonna make 25? Like, what am I gonna? With marketing involved and online lead generation, the best part about online lead generation is that there's predictability and there's leads coming in like clockwork, right? If you want to find out how we do everything, please schedule a call down below. That's my plug, okay? Shameless plug. But again, I mean, you don't have to wait around and see what happens at the end of the month. You can control your own destiny by having predictability in your business. And if you don't have that, you're slowly dying, right? When you're doing online lead gen, the good thing about it is that, actually the best thing about it is that when you have predictability, you know, if you want to make 20 grand for the month, I need to spend 3 or 4 grand, for example. Basically what I'm saying is, you know exactly how much money you need to put into the machine and how much you're gonna get out, right? You know that, for example, if you've done this long enough, you know that if you put $1 into the machine, you're gonna get $5 to $7 or $10 back. And that's the best part about doing online lead generation. And the beautiful thing about having predictability in your business. It's actually vital, okay? And the fourth reason is, it's scalable. Scalable, okay? Very scalable. Why? Because when you have a process, for example, and you start working with us, right? And you could see that we could feed you with leads and you're spending, for example, 2 or 3 or 4 grand. And if you want to make more money, what do you think you need to do? Well, hire someone else and train them your process. That's exactly what you need to do. And again, you will have that predictability in your business. And since you have that, the new person coming in is going to have an advantage. You're going to have an advantage over other companies. They're going to require this person to go out and generate their own leads and appointments. In this scenario, the leads are coming at them like clockwork. All they have to do is just schedule their own appointments, which is pretty simple to do. All right? All right, so that's going to conclude this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, just don't. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click the button down below and subscribe right here, this button right here. And if you want to learn more how our process works, check out some of the other videos on the channel here or here, okay, and see exactly what we do. If that's the first video you ever see, you're wondering who's that guy with a ponytail and a beard, right? Check us out, and we have a lot of content on this channel. And so if the conversation ever comes up and you found value in this video, bring it up, all right? Don't just keep it to yourself. Make sure you tell people that you found this channel on the internet or on YouTube that's actually helping you, all right? If it is. That's a very simple transaction. I'm not asking for much. And if you want to help with your lead gen process, with your lead generation, solar lead generation, we've been specializing in solar lead gen for the past 3 years. So we can definitely help you. If we can, we'll just be honest with you and let you know right up front, right? So schedule a call down below. It'll be the first link in the description box. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you again on the next one. Take care.